Have you ever wondered what Bitcoin really is, or why it seems to be the talk of the town? Well, my friend, you're not alone. It's time to unravel the Bitcoin mystery. Bitcoin, a digital currency or cryptocurrency if you will, has grabbed the world's attention. It's like a global superstar, an enigma wrapped in a riddle, shrouded in code. Born in 2009, Bitcoin introduced us to a world where money isn't printed but mined. It's not governed by banks or governments, but by the people who use it. Imagine that, a decentralized peer-to-peer network where you are your own bank. Bitcoin has changed how we see money. It's no longer just about bills and coins, but about lines of code and digital wallets. It's about freedom, privacy, and the power to control your own riches. And so, the journey of Bitcoin began, setting forth to change the world. In the year 2008, amidst a global financial crisis, a white paper emerged that would forever change the world of finance. This 9-page document, titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, was published by an enigmatic figure, or possibly a group, known only as Satoshi Nakamoto. To this day, their identity remains shrouded in mystery. The white paper outlined a revolutionary concept, the creation of a digital currency, free from the control of any central authority. It was a call to arms against the traditional banking system, which had just led the world into an economic meltdown. The aim? To create a new monetary system that was transparent, secure, and most importantly, decentralized. The idea was simple yet profound. Instead of relying on a central authority to issue and regulate currency, why not create a system where transactions are verified by a network of computers called nodes, spread across the globe? This system would operate on a technology known as blockchain, a public ledger containing all transaction data from anyone using Bitcoin. It's like a global spreadsheet that's constantly updated and viewable by anyone. On the 3rd of January, 2009, the first block of the Bitcoin blockchain, known as the Genesis block, was mined by Satoshi Nakamoto. Embedded in the code of this block was a headline from the Times newspaper: Chancellor on brink of second bailout for banks. This was a clear dig at the failing financial system and a nod to the motive behind Bitcoin's creation. Bitcoin was designed to be finite, with only 21 million Bitcoins ever to be created. This scarcity, much like gold, would theoretically safeguard it from the inflationary practices of central banks. And so, Bitcoin, the world's first decentralized digital currency, was born. It was a landmark moment in the history of finance, an audacious attempt to wrestle control from central banks and governments and place it back into the hands of the people. Today, Bitcoin stands as a beacon of financial freedom, promising a future where money is as free as the internet itself. Now you might be wondering, why the hype about Bitcoin? Let's unpack this. The first thing that makes Bitcoin stand out is its decentralization. Unlike traditional currencies controlled by central banks, Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network of computers. This means no central authority has control over it, reducing the risk of manipulation. Next up, we have anonymity. While not entirely anonymous, Bitcoin provides a higher level of privacy compared to traditional financial systems. Bitcoin transactions can be traced, but the identities of the parties involved remain concealed, giving users a sense of anonymity. Then there's Bitcoin's finite supply. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins in existence. This scarcity is what gives Bitcoin its value. It's like digital gold, if you will. As more people recognize its value and demand increases, so does its price. And let's not forget about Bitcoin's potential as a hedge against inflation. As governments print more money, the value of that money decreases. Bitcoin, with its finite supply, is immune to this. This has led many to view Bitcoin as digital gold, a safe haven in times of economic uncertainty. These unique characteristics have made Bitcoin more than just another currency. It's become a symbol of financial freedom and potential wealth, contributing to its growing popularity. So, Bitcoin isn't just a fad, it's a financial revolution. But the question remains, what's the potential of Bitcoin? Well, just as the internet revolutionized communication, Bitcoin has the potential to revolutionize the financial world. It's a borderless, decentralized currency, meaning it's not controlled by any government or central bank. This gives it the potential to disrupt traditional banking systems. In a world where banks can collapse and currencies can be devalued overnight, Bitcoin offers a more stable and secure alternative. Furthermore, Bitcoin can play a significant role in advancing financial inclusivity. There are billions of people worldwide who don't have access to basic banking services. Bitcoin can provide these unbanked individuals with a means to save, trade, and transact. It's like having a bank in your pocket. In the field of technology, Bitcoin's underlying blockchain technology has far-reaching applications beyond just financial transactions. It can be used for secure, traceable transfers of any digital asset, from real estate titles to medical records. And let's not forget about its potential in social causes. Bitcoin's transparency makes it a powerful tool for charitable organizations. It can ensure that donations are going exactly where they're supposed to, reducing the risk of corruption. So you see, the potential of Bitcoin extends far beyond its price or market cap. It's a tool that can empower individuals, disrupt existing systems, and pave the way for new, more equitable ones. Bitcoin's potential is only limited by our imagination. So, to sum up the Bitcoin saga, we've embarked on an intriguing journey that began with the birth of Bitcoin in 2009 by the elusive Satoshi Nakamoto. This digital currency was created as an answer to the financial crisis, offering a decentralized alternative to traditional banking systems. We've delved into the unique features that make Bitcoin a standout. Its decentralized nature, limited supply, and potential for anonymity have made it a magnet for individuals and businesses alike. Moreover, its potential to disrupt various sectors, from finance to supply chain, is immense. Yet, like any other innovation, Bitcoin isn't without its challenges. Volatility, regulatory concerns, and its energy consumption are some of the issues that it grapples with. Nonetheless, the exciting journey of Bitcoin is far from over. If you found this video helpful and want to see more valuable content like this, please consider giving us a thumbs up and hitting that subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest videos and join our growing community of savvy viewers. Don't miss out.